Welcome to Easy Biology. Chapter 1, Cells. So what are these cells? Cells are building blocks of life. They are the simplest units that exhibit characteristics of life. Means if we talk about any living thing, then these all living things are made up of cells, whether they are plants, animals, any of them. What are the basic functions of cells? They take in raw materials, then they process these raw materials to make substances. And then these substances are used by the cell itself, and the extra substances that are made, they are transported to other parts of the body to be used. This is a structure of the cell shown in front of you. It has different parts known as organelles. We will study about organelles in the coming slide. So, the components of cell or the organelles include cytoplasm. This is present inside the cell. Then it has a surface membrane that is like a covering. This is known as cell membrane. And in the center it has a nucleus. This is an animal cell. Animal includes all animals and human beings as well. A cell membrane acts like a door. What's the function of the door? It controls who enters and who leaves your house. In the same way, cell membrane keeps all the parts of the cell inside, and it controls what enters and exits the cell, such as water, nutrients, waste, and it also protects and supports the cell. So these are all functions of cell membrane. And this is the outermost layer in animal cell. As you can see, if this is an animal cell, then this outer layer is cell membrane. Partially permeable. Partially permeable means that it allows only selective substances to enter or leave the cell. Selective substances means only few substances, not all substances. So there are only these selected substances that can enter it and that can leave it. This is a detailed diagram of cell membrane, but its labeling is not included. Another organelle we have is cytoplasm. This is a large fluid-filled place called cytoplasm. It's where most of the chemical reactions take place. So if this is the cell membrane, then inside the cell membrane we have cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance that is composed. Composed means made up of. So it is composed of mainly water as well as substances like dissolved nutrients. The cytoplasm fills up the space between the nucleus and cell membrane. So here is the nucleus. So what can you see here? This is the brain, and nucleus also acts like the brain of the cell. It is located in the cytoplasm of the cell, as you can see in the diagram. It controls and regulates all cell activities, means whatever the cell is doing is controlled by the nucleus. It is called the control center, and it contains cells' DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Its function is similar to brain. What's the function of brain? It controls all movements of your body and your eating, your movement and reproduction. In the same way, the nucleus of the cell also controls all of its functions. Then we have another organelle, mitochondria. The mitochondria is also located in the cytoplasm of the cell. This entire part has cytoplasm and mitochondria is present in it. This is known as powerhouse of the cell. What is powerhouse? Something that produces energy. They are involved in respiration. By respiration, they produce energy. So respiration is a process that is used to produce energy. This mitochondria provides energy to cell to carry out its functions. Cells are more active if they have more mitochondria. Other than this, we have another organelle, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Its short form is RER. These are also found in cytoplasm. This is a series of membranes folded to form channels. Attached to the membranes are small bodies called ribosomes. So, with these membranes, small dot-like structures are attached and these are known as ribosomes. And in these membranes, proteins are made. Proteins are needed by our body for many different functions. We'll study about them later, but they are made in these membranes. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.